In today's video, I will share with you how you can start an instant meeting in Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, let's dive right in. In the past, only Google Meet and Zoom allows you to start instant meetings. But recently, Microsoft Teams have added this option to allow you to start an instant meeting. What's the advantages of starting an instant meeting? For instant meeting, you don't have to schedule or you don't have to plan in advance. These are good for ad hoc meetings where you want to get in your colleagues or friends and jump into a video conferencing call. So how do we get into an instant meeting? First, click on your Microsoft Teams app. You can see that there are three options here: join with an ID, meet now, or new meeting. To start an instant meeting, we will click on meet now and go ahead to start the meeting. Select your settings for your video and audio and then click join now. Here you have four options that pop up. Select copy meeting link so that you can copy this meeting link and send it to your friends or colleagues via email or WhatsApp chat messenger. Then your friends and colleagues can join you on this meeting by clicking on the meeting link that you have sent them. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.